All right, we're up here on deck 13 aft, and you have the exit to the water slide. The Perfect Storm and Typhoon is here. You see all of the water slides. And the entrances are way up there at the top of this glass tower. Come up here and you have the Flowrider. Oh, looks like we have somebody is on the Flowrider. We're giving the Flowrider a shot here. Right. And they're practicing. Wipe out. All right, gonna keep moving forward here from the Flowrider. All right, so this is where you will sign up for the Flowrider, where you check in. Gives you instructions on how to do it, what's required. You do have to sign a waiver to use the Flowrider. And this is the entrance to the Perfect Storm and the Typhoon and the Cyclone, which is the water slides. You go up there right behind the lifeguard. Check them out on the Flowrider some more. All right, we're going to keep moving forward here on deck 13. And you have the Adventure Dunes. This is the upstairs or the top deck portion of the miniature golf. So you start up here, and then when you finish this hole right here, this is where your ball goes down the chute and takes you down to the level on deck 12. You can see Cozumel still out there. And then you have the sports courts here for your basketball, your soccer. All that is here on deck 13. And then right above over there you can see the rock wall. And the rock wall is accessed on deck 14. This is where you get the clubs and the balls to play miniature golf. Come back around this way here on deck 13. See the court out there? They got a basketball, the soccer ball. Side. Of course, they have the restrooms. All right, now we're going to go to the forward section of deck 13. There's only an aft section and a forward section. Pretty much nothing in between the two, except for, of course, deck 12. But we're going to go ahead and move forward to deck 13. All right, so we're going to check out this small little sunbathing section here on deck 13. Come up here on deck 13. So it's just a small sunbathing area here in the middle area of the ship. You have the midship back over there. And the forward elevator area is back over here. Right there inside there, we were just there on deck 12. But just a small sunbathing area up here on deck 13. And we're right above the sky bar. All right, we're heading up to the forward section of deck 13. And this area up here is for sunbathing. They have all the chairs stacked up at the moment. This will be the sunbathing area up near the front of the ship, near the bow of the ship. You can see the very front of the ship right there. And that's accessible down there on deck number 5. See it way down right there. And that's down on deck number 5, the furthest you can go forward on the ship. Of course, Symphony of the Seas next to us. Just a little bit bigger than we are. They're definitely taller than we are. And she's definitely wider than we are. You see, we got one stack. She has double stacks back there. Definitely bigger than we are. Listen, this section of deck 13 is just purely used for sunbathing areas. Alrighty, we're now heading up to deck 14 midship. In here on deck 14 midship, we have the Blue Moon Cafe. Go up and take a look at the Blue Moon up here. And what's really great is look at the views from up here. And up here they have different things. They have a full bar. They also play some of the games up here. There's been trivia up here. Get-togethers happen up here. You come over this way. Now this over here, and I'll show you guys what this looks like. This is the suite lounge in here. And this is specifically for suite guests, but just gives you a peek in there to see what's going on. Go back out here to the elevators. And This is the room we just looked in. This is how you access the suite lounge. And of course, this is for guests that are staying in the suites. It does have a card reader there that you'll have to use in order to access that area. And like I said, you'll have to be a suite guest in order to get in there. Now on this side of deck 13, you have the side of the lagoon. You also have the entrance into the Diamond Club. And again, you have to have card access to access into the Diamond Club. All right, and that is deck 14. Deck 14 only is right here in the midship section, right above the midship elevators. But there is one more deck, and now we're going to head up to deck 15 and take a look at the highest point on the ship. All right, and we're heading up to deck 15. Now, deck 15 can only be accessed by the stairs. There is no elevator access. And up here is the Skylight Chapel. So just a small chapel space all the way up here on deck 15. And then we are currently at the highest passenger accessible point on the ship, is up here in the chapel. Alrighty, that is going to be our ship tour of Adventure of the Seas. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope we showed you everything that y'all wanted to see. I said this is quite a big ship, but definitely not one of the biggest for Royal Caribbean by any means. But very beautiful, a lot of stuff to look at, a lot of stuff to see. So hope you guys enjoyed today's ship tour. If you did, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.